guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am just going to be going through my bedroom makeover. I've actually done a makeover on it since this, but this gives you an idea of where we started when we first moved in. So we just kind of had everything chucked in the room, and it definitely needed a little bit of a better vibe, and it needed a little bit of a cleanup, that's for sure. So first things first, we are going to get out the white paint. So for the paint, I'm using the same color that the rest of our house is painted actually. It's Glacier White by Benjamin Moore, and I get all of my paint color matched at Deluxe here in Grand Prairie, and yeah, they're really great, so I highly suggest it. The paint is amazing. The dark wall that you can see on the left there, I covered in 2 coats of paint, and it looks great, so highly suggest. So the next thing I did was I took our dresser and actually was able to move it into our closet. So I picked up a new shelf. I ordered it off Wayfair. I don't want to link it for you guys only because I ended up having to get a second one. This one wouldn't go together properly, and the second one actually didn't hold up very well in the long run. So it looks cute, but I can't recommend this one, which is unfortunate. So the next thing I did was added a feature wall in. So this is what I used. I just grabbed 3 different sizes of paint brushes from Canadian Tire and a little bit of acrylic craft paint, and in about 10 minutes I added a fun feature wall to the one wall in our bedroom and just gave it kind of a little pop on the back, which I think was really awesome. I really love this wall. So the next thing I did was I decided to paint our IKEA bed frame. I gave the whole thing a scuff with some sandpaper and just grabbed some semi-gloss paint just in plain white, and it actually turned out really well, and it's holding up not too bad. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next Thursday for another video, so stay tuned.